Hey there, science fans! Have you ever wondered what makes up everything around us? From the water we drink to the stars in the sky, it all comes down to matter. And matter, my friends, can exist in some pretty amazing states. We're talking about liquids, solids, gases, and a superpowered state called plasma. Let's start with the basics. Everything you can touch and see is made up of tiny particles called molecules. These molecules are constantly moving and grooving, and how they arrange themselves determines the state of matter. Think of it like a dance floor. In a slow dance, couples are close together, but they can still move around. That's like a liquid. In a mosh pit, it's a wild, energetic free-for-all, just like a gas. But that's not all, folks. We've also got solids, where molecules are tightly packed like sardines, and plasma, a superheated state where atoms break free and things get really electrifying. So buckle up as we explore the fascinating world of matter and its many states. Section 2, liquids flowing through our world. Let's dive into the wonderful world of liquids. Remember that dance floor analogy? Liquids are like a room full of people slow dancing. The molecules are close together, but they can still move around and past each other. That's why you can pour a glass of juice or splash around in a swimming pool.
Liquids are all around us. From the life-giving water we drink to the fuel that powers our cars, liquids are essential for our existence. They have a fixed volume, meaning they take up a specific amount of space. But here's the cool part. Liquids take the shape of their container. Think about it. Pour juice into a glass and it takes the shape of the glass. Pour it into a bowl and it takes the shape of the bowl. Pretty neat, right?
Scientists are always coming up with new ways to use liquids. For instance, they're developing new types of liquid batteries that could store even more energy than before. These batteries could be used to power everything from electric cars to entire homes. Section 3, solids, the foundation of our lives. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty of solids. Solids are like a giant game of freeze tag where everyone is stuck in place. The molecules are packed tightly together and don't move around much. That's why solids have a fixed shape and volume.
Think about a rock, a book, or your phone. They all hold their shape and don't suddenly spread out like a liquid or disappear like a gas. Solids are the building blocks of our world, from the houses we live in to the devices we use every day. But don't think for a second that solids are boring. Scientists are constantly developing amazing new materials with incredible properties. We're talking about super strong materials that could be used to build lighter and faster airplanes, and even self-healing materials that could repair themselves like magic.
Section 4, gases and plasma, invisible forces shaping our universe. Hold on to your hats, science fans, because we're about to enter the realm of the invisible gases and plasma. Gases are like a room full of bouncy balls flying around at super speed. The molecules are far apart and move around freely, filling up whatever space they're in. That's why you can't see gas, but you can often smell it.
Gases are essential for life. The air we breathe is a mixture of gases like nitrogen and oxygen. Gases are also used in countless industrial processes, from powering our homes to making all sorts of cool stuff.
And then there's plasma, the most common state of matter in the universe. Plasma is like a gas that's been supercharged with energy. It's made up of ions, which are atoms that have gained or lost electrons. This gives plasma some pretty amazing properties, like the ability to conduct electricity and glow brightly. Think of the sun, a giant ball of plasma that provides light and heat to our planet. Plasma is also found in lightning, fluorescent lights, and even those cool neon signs you see at night.
Fascinating, isn't it? Gases and plasma truly are the invisible forces shaping our universe.